We're just after finishing 3 shows here for Maths Week. Year in, year out, we've been blessed with great presenters. But this year, we were fortunate enough to have Dr. Ken Farquhar come from Norwich in the UK. And I have to say that this year, for all the years that I've been doing this was one of the shows that most excited me. Why do I say that? I say that simply because the mathematics was kept simple and the kids all enjoyed it and it made them think mathematically. This was the first time I could really say that at the end of a show like this. So what did we see? We saw area and volume explained in 3D form. We saw the fundamental principle of counting and probability demonstrated in the best fashion that I have ever seen it, using the Mixed Up Fairy Tales book by Ken. Every one of the kids enjoyed it. To see how they got the difference between addition and multiplication in the fundamental principle of counting was just a great sight to behold. So thank you, Ken. Thank you for coming all the way and sharing your expertise with us. We really enjoyed it and we look forward to you coming here again in the future.